welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a little bit of a review on this Louis Vuitton On The Go PM in the Bicolor Monogram Empreinte leather. So this was just released a week ago, and if you're interested to watch my unboxing on this On The Go PM, I have the link up here. If you're somebody that likes to see unboxing, so if you're interested, you might want to consider watching my video. So anyway, I got this one a week ago, and this was exclusively released online, and I have used this already several times and I love it. The size is perfect. As you can see, guys, I have put the twilly right there. I don't know if this particular bag needs some embellishment, because the print itself, which is the embossed giant monogram, is already been like it's already highlighted the purse itself. So I really think that this particular purse doesn't need any sort of embellishment to stand out. But anyway, I put the twilly right here. It's because, you know, we are still in the pandemic. We use hand sanitizer. Even though I don't put hand sanitizer in my purse, I don't carry hand sanitizer myself. But sometimes when you go to the store, they require you to put hand sanitizer, and I didn't really want to hand sanitizer in my handle. So I actually put this twilly. I think the twilly looks good. It's just that, yeah, you just have to like put it right here, and the Tauron handles right here at the corner, just making it sure that you're not going to cover the logo itself. But yeah, I love this. Very light, and of course, this is on the size PM. I am so excited for this, guys. And finally, Louis Vuitton has released this beautiful on the go on a PM size. If you're interested in getting on one of these, your only option is to go to the store. This will be released on January 31st, and the code number is M45659 in Bicolor Monogram Empreinte leather, and this one retails for $3,200 US. Okay, so anyway, so I will be showing you a little bit of on what fits on this purse, and also I'm probably going to do a mod shots and how this one looks on me. And yeah, let's start. Okay, let me start with the dimension of this On The Go PM tote. So this one measures 9.8 inches on its length, 7.5 inches on its height, and 4.5 inches on its width. As you guys can see, that this one is made up of empreinte leather. Beautiful. This one here is embossed. The giant monogram is embossed and looks like in a cream color. So I'm gonna put this one in a closer look so you guys will be able to see the embossing right there of the Louis Vuitton logo. That's the flower right there. This is the handle, and this one has a gold hardware. As you guys can see right here, there is like, this one has a gusset though. Right here at the corner of it, it's like those rivets right there. It says Louis Vuitton and both corners. Okay, the side is just plain. And inside, this one has a burgundy lining. This one is microfiber. Beautiful. This one has a D-ring right here where you could hook up the straps. And also right here, if you wanted to close it, like that. And then also this one has a 2 pockets right here, And then it has the zip pocket right here on the other side as well. And this one is the pocket. And this one is the tag right here. It says the one that I got. It says there. Hope my camera is picking up. I got it made in France. Beautiful, beautiful microfiber interior. Like that. Very nice. And also at the bottom as well, there's no feet on this. It's really nice. Yeah. Very, very beautiful. Just love the pattern so much. So let me just put the strap in here. I'm going to show you in a little bit on the mud shots on how I wear this on the go tote. Right there. So the strap has a few settings in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 settings. Wow, this is very, very flexible and really soft. Wow, it's amazing. I just love it so much. So anyway, I brought my let me remove this strap because sometimes the strap is on the way. So I brought in my Alma BB here. So as you guys could see that my Alma BB were stuff. I have all the things that I needed for my Alma BB. And let's see if everything that I have there would fit an on-the-go tote. So yeah, guys, you guys could see here, you could almost compare this On The Go PM to an Alma BB. Okay, so let's start with, let me just take this one out. Let me just take this, this one is pretty snug. Let me just take this one out. So this is for my Alma BB. And then let me just try to see, so let me just, this one's all stuffed, so let me just try to see if I could just put this organizer inside the On The Go PM. So let's see. Okay. Oh, look at that. It slides in perfectly. That means that I don't need to buy an organizer that is exclusively made for the On The Go PM, because the organizer that I have for the Alma BB fits in perfectly. Look at that. Fits in perfectly inside the On The Go PM, guys. Wow, I am totally surprised. Look at that. So there is no bulging or sort of distortion on the purse itself. I think the purse looks perfect. And also, okay, so let's see what I have inside. So I have here, inside I have my phone. So this phone is 12 Pro Max. Agenda PM here. I have my 6-key holder. I also have my wallet. So this is an accordion wallet, one of my most favorite ever. And also I have my mini pochette. My mini pochette is always in my purse. So I have some of my essentials here, some of my makeup and everything. And yeah, I have a mask. And also I have a mint. So that's pretty much what I could fit on this On The Go Tote PM. So if you have an Alma BB, you already have an idea of what you could actually fit on this On The Go Tote. But since On The Go Tote has a wide opening, I think you could fit a lot more. I think this could fit a bottle of water though, but I don't carry a bottle of water. So yeah, I really think that this would fit a bottle of water. I was just looking around to see if I have a bottle of water, but I don't have it. So yeah, so when using this purse, I would highly recommend using an organizer, because you know why? It's just so easy. You could just grab it like this, take it out, and use another purse. So you could maintain your purse inside without worrying about staining or any problems and issues with that. So majority of my purses has an organizer, and probably I don't really care if I would spend probably like buying 3 or 4 organizers every single year, rather than just dealing with the stain or dirt inside. So by using an organizer, it is so easy. Not only that, it keeps your the real interior of your purse clean, but also it is so easy to transfer your stuff from one purse to another. You just grab it and put it on the other side. So that is such an easy way to do. So yeah, and yeah, I would highly recommend it. This is not so thick, guys. That's what I like about this. And I'm not sure where I got this. And I know I got this online for I think $10 or so. And yeah, this is not from Samorga. And yeah, I love it. Organizer is such amazing. I would highly recommend it. So all you could do is just put this one inside like that and start it filling up. So yes, we have the mini pochette in here. I'm gonna put it back. I am going to put this key right here, and then my wallet, and then my agenda, and then the mint and the corner, and then my mask. This is just an extra mask that I always carry, so I'm gonna put this on the corner, and then my phone right here on the side, or I could put the phone like this, depending. So yeah, it's depending. So but I'd rather just hide it like that. And then if you want to close it, yeah, perfect. But then again, guys, I know that this purse is really wide open, and if you're concerned that, you know, like for the security of your personal belongings, you could actually purchase an organizer that has zipper in it for security reasons. I'm probably gonna try to find an organizer that has zipper though, because, like, you know, if you're somewhere in a store, restaurant, you don't, you know, this one was too exposed, like, to be honest. This one, all my stuff there were too exposed, to be honest, really. So to get the peace of mind when you're out and about, so I think it would be better to just get an organizer that has zipper. But for the size MM and also for the size GM, I don't think because they're very tall, so you might be able to, you know, detect if somebody's trying to get into your purse. But for this one, it is just so tiny, so yeah, you could easily grab it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to look for an organizer that has a zipper in it. So yeah, those looks really nice. I love the organization, very neat, and the size is perfect. But for $3,400 that I paid for this, if you're gonna ask me if it's worth it, yes, this one is made of Empreinte leather, and for a few $100s more, you're gonna get the bigger. But I know this is the bicolor. I know they come up with just plain, but it has an embossing. So I really thought this is actually priced better. Well, it's because of the highlight that they did right here in a giant monogram. And yes, the size is perfect for me, I must say. but I know this is comparable to the Alma BB that I have here. So yeah, so anyway, so yeah, I will be showing you some of my mod shots, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how it looks on my arms. I'm just gonna wear this, put it on my arms like this. I think it looks gorgeous right there. It's on the other side as well. I think it looks gorgeous. And also just like the top handle like this, and also like that, or like this. It is so pretty. Yeah, maybe I will just carry it like this. Probably it would be perfect. But if you're on the go, usually it's like this, like that, on the go, in your arm. Perfect. This is such a perfect stuff on mine. It just set in my arms perfectly. Just like that. Such a beautiful piece. So I have the strap on the shortest setting. So yeah, this is the shortest setting so far, and I'm gonna use it as a shoulder bag, just like this, as a shoulder bag. I think it looks great. It's also on the other side as well. I think it looks great as well. And yeah, this is the default setting. This is the shortest setting so far, and I'm going to adjust this. I don't think this would look, let me see. Yeah, it's a crossbody. This is the shortest setting, so I needed to adjust it. Maybe in the last setting though, because this has to lay right here on my hip. So just like that. Okay, I just adjusted this strap, guys, and this is the longest setting so far. So this is the longest setting, so I'm gonna try to use this using a crossbody bag. So it looks like the purse is like above my hip. So yeah, so this is how it would look at the back. I don't think this would work as a crossbody, guys. I'm not really sure because it's a little bit higher. It sets a little bit higher. So that's how it would look. That's the front, just like that. So it should be, I think it would look great if it's a little bit lower, but this one is a little bit, it sets a little bit above my hip. So this is for a crossbody. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my video and some of what's in my bag, what fits. I hope that actually helps you to give an idea whether you wanted to get this purse, if you wanted to add this one if you're in your collection. I hope that would be helpful just to give you a little bit of insight what you could actually fit in here. So if you like my video, please do consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.